So how to add a fingerprint on your Samsung A56? Open your setting, then under setting you have to go your security and privacy, and then you can see the lock screen, and under lock screen then you can see the face and fingerprint. Press on fingerprint. Now pattern and fingerprint, you have to choose two things as actually. Set a pattern, press on done. Now press on continue, and you have to press on register. Now enter your once done, press on done, then it will be add as fingerprint. Let's check. And if you want to add another fingerprint like this hand, then go to again lock skin, then again go to the fingerprint, then you can see the add another fingerprint, then you can add another fingerprint as well. That's it. Thank you.